Hey, good afternoon. It's John Hancock with Walnut Ridge Family RV, and today we're going to do another walk-through Wednesday. This is the 2021 Puma 28 RK QS. As you can see on the back there, you're going to get a spare, so that's a very important aspect to have on a traveler trailer. And here we have a quick disconnect if you'd like to bring your gray stone or your black stone. Have a nice little griddle out here. We got extra storage back here as well. If you'll look at that, that's terrific, and that can hold some larger items. Of course, we have water heater. We have your on-tank freshwater holding right there. Look at this awning. It's long, it's huge. It's got to be at least a 19-footer, I'm saying. It's got the upgraded steps on it. And coming on up here, the Puma has a beautiful pattern on the side of it with its colors. And then we have the front pass-through storage. Now, please don't pay attention to this stuff because we just emptied the decorations out of the one next to it that got sold and is getting moved out of the showroom. So you can put your own stuff in here. You don't have to take ours with you. How about that? So there's the Puma 28 RKQS from the outside. Now we're going to go on to the inside via big grab handle and check out the rest of it. All right. So now that we're on the inside of the 28 RKQS Puma, 2021 that is, we have a Trifold sleeper sofa. And again, it's a true Trifold. It's not a jackknife, but it actually comes out into an RV queen. Give you plenty of room for your guests. We have theater seating right here with cup holders directly across from the TV, which is a beautiful thing. The RV industry has answered your prayers, and we have the TV across from our main seating area. Right here we have USB chargers right in the wall, right beside the light switch, and that's great because you're going to sit there on your phones, no doubt, as most of us do. We have a booth right here with storage doors on both sides. So that is terrific. Not everybody's doing that. Puma is doing it because they listen. They listen very well. We have right here a nice big pantry. Look at the size of those shelves right there. You can get a lot of stuff in there. So a lot of people use Pumas for destination trailers as well as travel trailers. So if you want a big pantry, you've got it right there if you got a lot of mouths to feed. Here, we have the 12-volt fridge. Look at the size of that thing. It's got pop holders right here. You got plenty of cubbies. And one of the biggest things I hear about from people is, particularly the ladies, I can't get a gallon of milk in my fridge. Guess what? On these new 12 volts, you can do that. 12 volt, quieter, lesser money to replace if it ever goes bad. So you're going to love that as well. Look at the size of that freezer. You like ice cream? You like drumsticks? You like popsicles? You can take a ton of them with you. Look at the size of this counter space right here. It's all underlit as well, so it's got good visual right there. Big country below counter sink, so you can wipe it right off in there. You get the strainer, which Puma is famous for. And then we have our adjustable sprayer. How about that? 3-burner. Now, please, when you use the 3-burner, put your glass back. I actually had some people that were using one of those one day. She forgot to move the glass, and it cooked the food just fine, but as they were eating and it cooled, the glass went. So be sure and take it back. Acts as a great backsplash as well, so you want to use that for both good reasons. Spice rack's already built in back here. Nice wipeable down back splash right there. TV comes with this model, and so does the fireplace, electric. Now you say, well, I don't need all of that. Yeah, well, it's 5,000 BTUs of electric heat. So if you don't want to burn up your propane all the time when you're sitting and it's a little chilly outside, that'll knock the chill off of this camper and actually heat it up really nicely, and you really appreciate the fact that you've got that. We also have USB and Bluetooth stereo built right in right there, and nice more counter space right there and cubbies everywhere you look. So it's ideal. Follow me back, let's take a look at this bathroom. If you would, look at the size of that shower. It is huge, it has a seat in it, and we've got plenty of room in that bathroom for everybody. So if you had a camper with a small bathroom, guess what? You don't have it now. In this Puma 28 RKQS, we have a queen bed right here. We have plenty of space to walk around it. Your TV would go back in that corner back there if you'd like to have one in here. We got good storage all over the bed, and we have excellent storage underneath the bed. So don't forget about that as well. I'm John Hancock. This has been another Walkthrough Wednesday at Walnut Ridge Family RV. Come on, let's do this.